Wow, look at this. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make a margarita pizza, and I'm going to show you a technique at the end of a video on how to flatten your pizza to a perfect size. So stick with me and watch this video until to the end and make this large pizza for your customers. So start by stretching up your dough. The first advice I'll give you is that you make your dough the day before and leave it, or if it's in a rush, you can make it the same day, but you need to leave it for certain hours so that the dough can rest. So now my dough has rested, so now it's easy for me to stretch it out. So now that I've stretched my dough, I'm going to make a jumbo pizza, which is called the largest pizza in a restaurant. So this is our large pizza and it sells like crazy. Then I'm just going to put on oil on my pizza tray so that my pizza does not stick. And then the final step, but not the final, is stretching the pizza with my fingers and hands and laying it down on the tray, going around until the whole tray is covered like this. You see how big is that pizza and well flattened? Then you have to use it to create some holes so that your pizza is flat and puffy around it. And then I am going to put my pizza tomato sauce around the whole pizza. So the more sauce you put, the juicy the pizza is. Some people prefer less sauce, but if they have not requested, you just line it out the way you are trained to do. And this is the way I'm trained to do. And trust me, this will work perfectly well. And then you just add your cheese on top of your pizza sauce like that. And don't be stingy. Give your customer good cheese and present the pizza very well because everything is in the cheese. So now I'm just going to add my fresh cut out tomato that I've already chopped out and prep on my station. I'll just put them around everywhere and make it fair. Now I'm going to put it in the pizza oven for 5 minutes. And then the final step of the pizza. Wow, look at this. Look how beautiful that pizza came out. It's puffy on the side and flat inside. This is how you make your pizza at the restaurant. And this is so beautiful and just customer like this. Whether you're a vegetarian or whether you're taking a break from eating meat, this is a pizza to have, a margarita pizza. So I just slice it in 8 slices, and my final touch is the pesto that I've all promised you all. I'm putting pesto on my pizza. Look how beautiful that looks. Ready to be served. If you have a moment, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao.